Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can make CameraFollow player in Unity. So let's get started. I have created a demo scene. Let me show you. It's just a simple scene with player movement with no camera follow. First, create a new script called CameraFollow and attach it to the camera game object. Then open up the script. First, we'll create a float variable called FollowSpeed. This variable will determine how fast camera will move to the target. Next, I'll create transform variable called target. This will give us the position of player. Next, in the update method we will create a new vector3 variable called newPos. This will give us the player's position x and y, and in the z value we'll write -10f, because in 2D the camera position z stays -10. If it was 0 we would be not able to see anything. Now we will change camera position same as target position. And if you don't know what slurp is, it spherically interpolates between two vectors. In this, we will change our current position to target position. Now, if we save this and go back to Unity and assign target to the script, let's hit play. As you can see, the camera is following the player. You can even change the speed of the camera follow. But we got a problem here. If you notice, we need to change the height of this. To fix, go back to CameraFollow script and create a new float variable called yOffset. For now I'll assign it value of 1. We can change it later. Next, we'll add this to our y position in newPos. Now we can save it and let's check it out. As you can see, the height is changed. We can change the height by increasing yOffset. So that's it for today's video. Let me know if you like this or not in the comment section below.